In this video, I give you an update as to what's happened. It's been a while, been about a month. I think the last video I posted on the bus was laying the floor, and I did a little update on why I wasn't filming the electrics part of it, because that was just stressing me right out and I couldn't get my head around it at all. If you follow me on Instagram, you're pretty much bang up to date apart from today. So yeah, what have I done? Let's start from the beginning, shall we? Right, so make sure nothing falls out. Right, excuse the mess first of all. I don't have a garage, so this is my workshop. You've got something in your eye. How's that? Is that better? Right, so again, excuse the mess, but the floor is down, as you know. Since then, I've been busy. So this bit of conduit, has a battery live down there, going to the battery under the seat, which is going along the side of the van, and I'll show you where that goes in a second. Right, so that's the first bit. That is battery live to the CTEK charger. Now, the second thing I did, let's extend you up here a minute, is, hang on, 1, 2, 3. I fitted solar. So I've got 240 watt solar panels up there, so 280 watts. Don't know how many amps that is, but 280 watts of solar up on the roof. That is also wired into the CTEK, which I'll show you in a second. Now, I bought it as a kit. I bought the panels as a kit, so it came with the kit, the panels, the wiring, mounting brackets, etc, etc. I had to purchase 2 Y connectors because the CTEK 250 SE doesn't like the panels running in sequence, so I had to run them in parallel. I think this is right. I think this is right. So I've had to get 2 Y connectors and attach them in parallel. So I've done that, and then I didn't want the black cables just flying about on the roof, so I've got some of that little white plastic household conduit that you use for like TV cables and stuff. So I think that makes it look a little bit neater. So that's on. You know about the skylight. So skylight, solar, electric. Okay, shall I show you what's inside the back of the van? Let's go. Okay. So in the back of the van is my CTEK charger, just there. Now, as you can see, I've got the solar panels wired into that, which is on a permanent live, constantly going all the time. I've got the fan wired in, as you can see, you can hear it. Again, that's pretty much going constantly. I've got it set on like the thermostat setting on there, and it's pretty much going 24/7, I think, which is cool. But the solar panel is keeping that topped up. There isn't. You might notice that the main cable from the battery isn't plugged into the CTEK. It's not working. It doesn't charge when the engine's running. It's not charging the CTEK. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I'm on the wrong battery under the seat. I don't know if there's a problem with the cable. I don't know if there's a problem with that part of the CTEK. I don't know if there's a problem with my connections that I've done. So I need to fully rip that cable out and probably start again and see where I go from there. Fuse box is in. I've only got one fuse lined up in there at the moment, which is for the fan. Yeah, so again, that's all pretty much done. Obviously I need to get first fix electrics done, so we need to finalise where we're putting things and what we're actually going to have in the van. Fridge, USB ports, lights. I've already got ceiling lights, but obviously we might want a light for the footstep in the sliding door. We might want little LED lights in the kitchen area. We don't know yet, so we have to finalise all of that sort of stuff. Today I've fixed the bed in place, which I'm really happy about. Scorva beams, 1, 2 and 3 Scorva beams with the IKEA normal bed slats. There you go. Leroy bed slats, 2 packs of those, and 3 Scorva beams. The beams come on their own, they don't come with brackets. So if you go online, I'll find the link and I'll put it in the description below. Basically click on the link. These are spare parts that IKEA send you free of charge. I know, right? So I've ordered 6 of those brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to support 3 beams. But yeah, as I say, IKEA send you those free of charge. So the Scorva beams were 20 quid each, so 60 quid for the beams, and I think I can't remember the slats, I think there might have been 17 quid per pack of slats, can't remember. But free postage from IKEA. Easy, very, very, very easy. And today I've fitted the bed today, and I've started with the battening. So across the roof on the beams, down the sides, down the sides, down the sides. I need another 2 of these. 2 of these, one to finish off up there and the end over there, and then one to come along the top edge. So yeah, that's as far as I've come so far. Apologies for not filming anything. The first couple of times I tried, I had problems with the GoPro and it kept crashing and freezing. In fact, actually, is it? Yeah, you're looking okay at the moment. That kept crashing and freezing. I was getting titsed off of it basically, and other times I just forgot. Basically, just forgot to pick the camera up. To be perfectly honest. Oh, one thing. Battery, leisure battery. That one there is a 100 amp hour. Where is it? 100 amp hour leisure battery, which I bought off Amazon, which is great. Plugged it all in and it wasn't doing anything. After a while, after a couple of days, I noticed it wasn't. The ceiling fan went off and the battery was flat. So I was like, oh god, what's going on here? I've got a knackered battery. It went, no, it was my fault. I didn't take the pins out of the side. So basically there's swelling now. That side and the other side have swollen out. As soon as I took the pin out, load of air came out. So I think that battery's knackered, which is a shame because it's a brand new one. So anyway, I bought a new one again. That was 105. Yeah, that one is 105 amp hour. The new one I've bought is 130 amp hour. And it was actually on a deal at the time, so I got it cheaper than the other one anyway, so happy days. Oh, I've also done a makeshift battery tray. So buttons on the floor, and I've got the strap going over the top. That is in there solid. You can see the strap going down the back, over the top and down to there. So that's in solidly. Yeah, that's it. I think that's the update at the moment. I am going to try and be better with the camera and film more stuff as I'm doing it. Next thing, I think I need to buy a fridge so I know where I'm working, what I'm working with that. I'd like to panel off this edge of the bed so I know exactly, I can see what I'm working with area wise in there, because at the moment it's very overwhelming. We haven't 100% decided whether or not we're going to have a shower room, toilet room. It's been a subject of great discussion, and I don't think we're any the wiser as to which way we're going to go with that yet. I'm thinking about tinting the windows. That's a serious consideration for me at the moment as well. Do I tint the windows? Because obviously they're clear and you can just see everything. So yeah, I'm considering tinting the windows. I want to do a rear wiper delete, get rid of the rear wipers because of this, get rid of that, and then I can do a proper panel for the rear door, window frame and all that sort of stuff on there. So get rid of that and that. Yeah, as I say, I think that's pretty much it. Apologies again for, I don't know, what is it, a month since the last upload, but I will try and be better. So anyway, if you have been, thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe. I'll put the link in the description below for the Scorva hanging brackets, and my Instagram as well. And other than that, again, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers and gone.